Muffins are great any time of year, but when you make banana crunch muffins, you're adding lots of texture and incredible banana flavor. So let's get busy with the ingredients, and the dry things will go in first. Now we're going to begin with some all-purpose flour. Into the bowl, then some cane sugar, then some wheat flour. These are really, really hearty muffins. Some baking powder and baking soda, and finally a little salt. Now I'll give this just a little stir to incorporate all those ingredients before I add in the wet ingredients. In go some beaten eggs, then some granola. You're gonna have some crunch on the inside and the outside of the muffin. Then we're gonna add in some coconut, then some mashed bananas. I told you this would have lots of banana flavor, and they do. Then we'll add in some cooking oil. Keep these nice and moist. You've got a lot of dry ingredients here, so don't be frightened of the amount of oil or milk. And then finally, some good vanilla. Now, you won't need to pull out a hand mixer for this. This will all begin to incorporate by hand, but you'll probably have to give it about 50 stirs or so to get it nice and incorporated, making sure that you have evenly distributed all of that texture. Just make sure that all your dry ingredients are moistened, because sometimes they can hide in little pockets in the bottom of the big bowl. All right, so this is all now nice and mixed. We're going to take a 12-cup muffin pan, and we've already placed our paper liners down inside, and then get a medium scoop. If you have not invested in scoops yet, let me strongly encourage you to do so. These are great tools to have in the kitchen for so many jobs, and this is one of them. So we'll get the batter, fill our scoop, and take care of popping that scoop of batter into every one of the muffin cups. Now, before this goes into a 350 oven for about 25 minutes, we're going to top each of these with dried banana chips. I promise you crunch on the inside and crunch on the top. These are going to be perfect. Just wanted to show you those as I continue to fill up the rest of these and get this into the oven. So I've just taken these out of a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes, and they smell amazing, and they're ready for snacking. So let's see if we can get one of these out of the muffin tin and get a few onto the plate and show you what we're talking about. Peel that paper away. This paper should peel away really nicely, because remember, you've got a fair amount of oil and milk in this recipe, so they're going to be nice and moist. Peel that paper away and do yourself a favor and enjoy these while they're still warm from the oven. Crunchy, delicious, and full of great banana flavor.